Hi dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I really wanted to share my wash and go curly hair routine. As you guys know, I'm on my own hair journey right now and I am trying my best not to use heat on my hair. So the first thing that I love to do is wash my hair in the shower. We all know how to wash our hair, so I wasn't going to show you guys that, but I will show you guys the products that I like to use. Of course, I'll leave them linked down below. For a shampoo, I really like the Redken All Soft line. And I don't shampoo every day, but I make sure that I always condition, and I love to deep condition my curls. I feel like they're very quenched and hydrated and bouncy when I do so. And on most days I will co-wash again with the Redken All Soft Mega Conditioner. So your girl's fresh out the shower, feeling brand new. Now keep in mind, in the shower while I have conditioner in, I am using a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. It just works the best for me and eliminates a lot of the frizz. So I'm taking a rat tail comb and I'm creating a part. Recently I've been really loving a middle part with like a low ponytail situation. So if you guys can tell, my roots are very straight because I have two different textures going on. I am relaxed, so my roots are very straight and then my ends are curly, right? So this is why I can't really just leave my hair out fully curly because it just does not look right. I'm at this awkward stage right now. So the first product I'm going to use is the Miss Jessie's Honey Curls. This is basically going to be my leave-in to really hydrate and lock in a lot of that moisture. Keep in mind my hair is pretty wet. I would say dripping wet at this point. Again, this is something that is crucial for me because it really helps to hydrate my hair and again eliminate a lot of that frizziness and puffiness. So I'm using quite a bit of this product and it smells really great. The texture is a little bit sticky like honey. I mean, there is honey in this product, so that's one of the main ingredients that is going to really hydrate my curls. So I'm scrunching this into my hair versus rubbing it through just to eliminate, again, the frizziness, which is common in curly girls like myself. So I'm going to repeat that process on the other side. Now my roots, because they're pretty straight, when they dry, they kind of dry thick and puffy. So I don't know, it's just like that awkward stage again that I'm in. So if you guys have any tips, let me know what you guys would recommend. So I do put a little bit more product towards my roots just to hydrate that area. Now my favorite product is the Pelo Soft Curls, again from Miss Jessie's. This smells like laundry detergent, and this is my styling product for my curls to lock them in place and to keep their shape. This is amazing. It's not like a gel where it makes your hair crispy or crunchy like ramen noodles. It even says on the package it won't give you ramen noodle hair, which I can attest. This stuff is amazing, and this changed the way that I feel about my curly hair. It just gives the best look. You guys will see in the end. So for sure I will link this down below so you guys can check it out on Amazon. It is my go-to styler. Even if I don't put anything else in my hair, I'm gonna put this in. So I'm gonna make sure that I get all areas of my head. Now the next product I'm going to use is another curling agent. This is a mousse from Aussie. I prefer to use a mousse. It's more lightweight instead of using a gel. For me, again, I don't really want my hair to be really weighed down or heavy, so this is a great alternative. It's also a leave-in conditioner, so again, it really hydrates my curls and leaves them feeling quenched, you know, not dry and brittle looking, especially when you have chemical treated hair like myself. So I'm gonna use a pretty hefty amount of this. I don't know why I love mousse, it's just so fun to apply. So I'm gonna work that in, and this is when I'm going to go in and scrunch my hair. So the more you scrunch, the more defined your curls will be, and this is where I really take my time and go in and make sure that I'm focusing in on the roots, because again, that's where my hair is the straightest. I really want the textures to look as similar as possible. I'm not really sure why my hair is still so curly even after relaxing it for 10 plus years, but I know I'm not the only one out there with hair like this. But I know once I wait a while after getting a hair relaxer, my curl pattern will kind of bounce back. So I just need to wait a few more weeks and it should probably blend in with the rest of my hair texture. But anyways, I'm going to continue to scrunch the mousse and all the other products into my hair before I start styling. Now I'm going to take my first styling product, which is my Cream of Nature Perfect Edges. Shout out to my grandma. I'm always going to give her credit because this is the best edge control I've ever used. It doesn't make my edges crispy. It doesn't leave a white weird cast. They don't get gunky. It's just very lightweight and it holds my hair in place. So a little bit definitely goes a very long way with this. And I do like to use a small edge brush to work this into my hair. I'll leave everything literally down below, even the tools that I like to use. So do your edges how you'd like. I think this definitely makes a difference when you're styling your hair. Moving right along, I'm going to gently brush my hair downward to form a low ponytail. Now I'm gonna make sure not to brush my curls. Basically, I'm just brushing down my roots because that again is where my hair is the straightest. And for me, I found that this style is very practical for me. It's different than wearing a bun all of the time. It's not gonna cause a lot of breakage towards the top of my head since I'm definitely focusing on growing out my kitchen and the nape of my neck. So once I get my hair, positioned where I'd like, I'm just gonna tie a hair tie around it and I'm not gonna move. I'm not gonna touch my hair. I'm just gonna leave it alone and let it dry on its own. I like to air dry my hair because the whole point for me of having a wash and go is to have a protective style. I don't want to put heat on my hair, even if it's just a blow dryer on low or a flat iron. That to me is not going to help me on my hair journey. So for me, this is the best way to protect my hair from heat damage and to allow my hair to just be its own hair, So we're gonna let it dry. And voila, my hair is completely dried. I'm not gonna lie guys, I fell asleep. I was not about to continue to wait a few more hours for my hair to be 100% dry, but you can see it's soft, it's fluffy, it's defined, it's movable, it's hydrated, it doesn't look thirsty at all, and it definitely has to do with the little cocktail that I mixed up. And I'm so happy that I finally found products that work with my hair type. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. Again, be sure to check out all of the products that I used in the description box below. And if you'd like to see more hair journey videos like this, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.